Look, this is a high-class place. I see they already prepared my office. All right. Look at all the amenities they have in here. This place is spotless. Let's see what they got in the fridge. No drugs or alcohol in the workplace. What do you think about that? Look at this. Look what they test for. Marijuana, cocaine, amphetamines, opiates, propoxyphene. What the heck is that? PCP, barbiturates, benzodiazepines, methaqualone, and methadone. Well, luckily, I should breeze through that. Some people who remain nameless probably wouldn't, but what's the propoxyphene? What is that? Propoxyphene. Now let's see what type of people work here. What is in there? Look at this. A black bean quinoa veggie burger. Oh my God. Frozen veggies. What else do we have in here? Oh, we have a person here. Ooh, sodas. Ooh. Look at this garbage. Look at these tiny little cookie cutter lunches for these stick figure employees. Says a lot about a workplace. But I'll say this place is immaculate. Look at this microwave. It sets the smell of tomato soup. Good. Look at this. Employee rest area. All right, what do we have over here? What is this? What the heck is this? Looks like a giant cell phone. All right. They should have rolled out the red carpet when they saw me coming. They should already put the buffet out. All right, we'll get a moment of darkness in here till we figure things out.